In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Jotform. Whether you're inserting a logo, a banner, or a helpful illustration, I'll walk you through the process so your form looks polished and on brand. Start by opening your form. Head to jotform.com and go to the My Forms area. Find the form you want to work on, then choose Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can make visual changes in real time. If you're experimenting with a new look, it's a good idea to make sure you're editing the correct form so you don't change the wrong one. Next, add the image field. On the left side of the builder, you'll see the Form Elements panel. Scroll to the Basic Elements and look for Image. Click, then drag and drop the image element right into your form. You can place it above your title for branding, between sections for visual breaks, or near a question to provide context. If you change your mind about placement, just drag it to a new spot until it lands exactly where you want it. Once the image field is in your form, click it to add your actual image. A window will open with options so you can upload or insert the image. Choose the method that fits your needs, then confirm your selection. Give it a moment to process. Larger files can take a little longer. For the best results, use a clear, high-quality image that's optimized for the web so your form loads quickly and looks sharp on all devices. After your image appears, click it to open the Settings panel and customize its look. Here you can adjust the size so it complements your form instead of overpowering it. Tweak alignment to center the image or align it to the left or right depending on your layout. You can replace the image at any time if you need to swap in an updated logo or a revised graphic. If available, consider adding descriptive text for accessibility and better clarity. Check how the image appears on mobile by previewing the form and making sure it scales properly. A slightly smaller width often improves readability on smaller screens. That's it. You've opened your form, added an image field, uploaded or inserted your image, and customized it to fit your design. Take a quick preview to confirm everything looks good. Your changes typically save as you go, so you can close the builder when you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating forms that look as good as they function.